we'll guide you through how to use the Stripe billing portal. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe website by typing in stripe.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your dashboard and click on the Billing tab. This will take you to the main billing overview page. Here, you'll see an option called Customer Portal under the Subscriptions section. Click on that. The Customer Portal is a key feature that allows your customers to manage their subscriptions and billing details. To set it up, you need to configure the settings according to your business needs. You'll see options to customize the branding and layout so it matches your company's style. You can also choose what actions your customers can perform, like updating payment methods or canceling subscriptions. Once you're satisfied with the configuration, click on Save to apply these settings. Next, to allow customers to access the portal, you'll want to integrate it into your website or send them a direct link. You can generate this link by clicking on Create a new session and following the prompts. It's a good idea to test this link yourself to ensure everything works smoothly from the customer's perspective. If everything looks good, you're all set. The Stripe billing portal is a powerful tool to enhance customer experience by providing them with more control over their subscriptions. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.